everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, but it's going to be fairly small probably because I didn't really find a whole lot. Most everything that I did find though is brand new, and I'm pretty excited about what I found. Also, I'm going to be adding a couple of things that I purchased from Walmart and from Big Lots. If you follow me on my social medias, then you've probably already seen what I got from Big Lots, but in case you don't follow me, then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on here. If you want to follow me on my social medias, though, you can find me on Instagram at Jamie's Creations YT and also on Facebook at Jamie's Creations YT. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So the first thing that I found is LA's Totally Awesome Bathroom Cleaner. And would you just look at this? This thing is humongous. It's huge. And I know that LA's Totally Awesome isn't a new brand, but look at the packaging. The packaging is new. This packaging reminds me of, is it Method? I think it's Method that you can get at Target. That comes in the square spray bottle, the clear. Anyway, I got this. I thought this looked really high end. You do get 32 fluid ounces in here. It's in the scent Fresh Scent. So anyway, I thought I'd pick that up to see how well it's going to work. I have used LA's Totally Awesome before, but I don't really use it on a regular basis. So anyway, I thought I'd get this and give it a try. Okay, so on my last haul, I hauled the watering can, and I went ahead and went back and grabbed another one because I'm going to be doing a DIY using this. So I just grabbed another one, and they do have these in several different colors, but I just went ahead and stuck with the gray one. So there's that. So they have the new grilling accessories and things like that out right now. So I went ahead and grabbed this. It's the Hamburger Patty Press. Now, I don't think my Dollar Trees have ever had this, and if they have, I've not seen them. But, and I'm not sure if this is a new product to Dollar Tree or if it's just new to my stores. But I did go ahead and grab it just to give it a try and see how well it presses out hamburger patties. We'll have to see. Okay, so I found this, and this is new. It's the Expendable Foam Grip and Stand. At least it's new to my store. But it looks like this, and they have these in several different colors that with this same pattern here, with the buffalo checked pattern. And I really liked this gray and white one, so I went ahead and grabbed it. But this is a Greenbrier brand. It says it's a kickstand, props up your phone, easy grip, pull to expand. So it does say it has a strong adhesive that sticks securely to most phone cases. So I have used a pop socket before on my phone, and it just popped right off. So hopefully this works and stays on my phone. They did have some more kinds of, I don't know, electronic type stuff in this line. They had some phone charging cords that they were really pretty looking. They had some that had the same kind of pattern like this. The cord was like a buffalo plaid pattern that matched, which I thought was really cool, but I didn't need a charging cable, so I just left those there. But I did go ahead and grab one of the pop sockets. Something that I know they had this last year, and I did purchase one of these, but I think this might be a new design, and if it isn't, then it's new to my store. So anyway, I thought these were so cute. They are like these little creamer jug watering can kind of things. I think they're so cute. So I have purchased one of these before. Last year I got one that it was white, and it has a rooster weather vane on it. But I've never seen this one with the cow and the pig and the chicken all stacked on top of each other there. And it does say Farm Sweet Farm. So I thought this one was really cute, so I did go ahead and grab it. And then they had this one. It says, "Home is where our family gathers," and it's a sort of a light pink color, which I think is really pretty. And I got this for a gift to give to my aunt. So, and my aunt watches these videos, so Aunt Tina, this is for you. I know you like pink. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed this. And then they also had one that was, I think it was like a robin's egg blue or a really light blue color that had some saying on it. And then they had a white one that also had, it was like the one I got last year that had the rooster weather vane. So anyway, I just grabbed those two. Okay, something that I saw this and I just had to get it. But look, it is a cow on a little canvas. This is so cute. Now they had one that was a horse, and the horse is really pretty, but I just really loved this cow. So I grabbed the cow. I think it's so cute. And this is on the little canvases. They had a bunch. He had just put out, or the stock boy had just put out a brand new box of these. He had just opened them and set them on the shelf, so I was the first one to go through it. And I found this little cow. I was looking for the barn because I know that there's a barn canvas that I would really like to have, but I haven't found that one yet. So, and I've been seeing a lot of people haul, I believe it is a baby llama, or no, was it a llama? It's either a llama or a sheep or a baby goat or something that has a little flower crown on his head. I think it's so cute, but I haven't been able to find those. But I was able to find the little cow, which I think is really cute. I went ahead and grabbed one of these. Now this is in the kids section. It's for the little dress up for little girls. And this is the bumblebee wings. And I got this because I'm going to be doing a bee DIY, and I'm going to be using this lower part of the wings to make my DIY. So I just went ahead and grabbed one of those. Something that I have only ever seen one time at my Dollar Trees, and I have not ever seen them before. So I don't know if I was just lucky this day and got there just in time or what. I don't know. But this is by Tool Bench, and it's the self-adhesive wall tile. And I got these because I am going to be trying to put this in my kitchen as a backsplash. I only got 10 of these for right now because I'm not sure how well I'm going to like it. I'm not sure if they're going to stick to the wall and, you know, stay there. But I did get 10 just to make sure I had enough. But I'm just going to be doing the back wall behind my stove of my kitchen. So hopefully I have enough, and hopefully it looks good. If it does and I like it, I may go online and just order a whole case. But when I was there, they only had 2 different patterns to choose from. They had this one, which is like the subway tile, and it's got sort of like a gray color. And they also had one that was rocks, which they were like a red and brown toned rocks, which I thought were really pretty too, but I really liked this one. And I did go on Dollar Tree's website and noticed that they had just a whole bunch of these to choose from, and I was really hoping that they were going to have the subway tile that's just plain white. That's the one that I really wanted, but my Dollar Trees didn't have it. They only had these. So anyway, if I do like this though, I may go online and just order the whole case, which I think you can only order them by the case, which is kind of a bummer, because I think you only get 54 or 56 in a case, and you have to order all of those, even though you may not need all 54. But anyway, just thought I'd put that out there in case anybody was interested. But it says these are easy to use, just peel and stick, great for kitchens and bathrooms. And this is 12 inches, so they are the 12 by 12 tiles. So anyway, I hope that these work good. Okay, what else? Is that it? Okay, I think that's all from Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got from Walmart. So the first thing that I got from Walmart is this, which I think is really pretty. It's, I don't know, to me it's real farmhousey, or I don't know. But this is in the, they're just calling it spring decor. It was $6.98. And if I can show you guys right there. And it does have this little tag hanging off the side, which I'll probably just take that off. But it says Hello Spring on there. But I thought I may add some greenery and maybe do like some floral or something. I don't know, down here, maybe up around the arch or something. I don't know. But I really liked it, so I did go ahead and grab it. And $6.98 was a pretty good deal. So got that. Okay, and then the last thing that I got from Walmart. Are you guys ready? Look. It's a bumblebee pillow. Well, I think this technically is a honeybee. So, but it looks, I love it because it looks like those, like the vintage type bee, honeybee design on there, which I think is so pretty. And I love bees, in case you didn't know. The back side of it is this yellow and white striped. And then it's got like this black trim, which I think this is so pretty. And you guys, this was only $5. So I did grab 2 of them. I just think it's so pretty. So anyway, I had to get it. And it is an outdoor toss pillow, but I just keep this on my couch inside my house. So it doesn't have to necessarily go outside. But the material that it's made of is good for the weather. And also, I do have some pillows that I got from Walmart that are like this, that have the, well, my daughter had got them for me. But they have the little red farm truck with a little dog sitting in the back. And I keep those on my couch pretty much year round. And they do wash really well. So you can throw them in your washer and wash them. Just the only problem I had was with one of the pillows, the seam kind of opened on the side. And so some of the little stuffing came out. But it was real easy. All I had to do was sew that little spot up. It wasn't that big of a deal. So anyway, I got this. I got 2 of them. And then the last thing that I'm going to show y'all is what I got from Big Lots. This is so cute. Look, it's a rain boot planter. It's so cute. And it's really, you know, it's pretty detailed. Like you can see the heel, and then up here where the buckle is, and this little design across the top. I think it's so cute. The bottom is black. And I did pay $24 for these. So it's the boot planter, and it was $24. Which, I mean, that's kind of expensive, I feel like, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. But they are made of resin. I was thinking, I'm just going to decorate my front porch, and I'm going to be doing my porch up so it will last me from spring and all the way through summer until fall. And I'm going to be doing like a bee theme. In case, I bet you could never have guessed that. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a bee theme. So my front porch is going to have mostly like yellows and, you know, little touches of black and just a bunch of floral. And I'm going to be doing some bee DIYs that I can set outside. So anyway, I think also what I'm going to do with these is I may end up painting some polka dots on here. Or, I don't know, I may paint a flower on it. I don't really know what I'm going to do. But anyway, I thought this was really cute. And then there is the inside where if you wanted to put real flowers in here, you can just put your soil in there, plant your flowers. Or if you didn't want to do real flowers, you could just do artificial flowers and get the foam blocks and put them down in there that you can get from Dollar Tree, and just add your fake flowers to it. So, which I may do that too, but I'm thinking I'm going to be putting some real flowers, maybe something that maybe kind of cascades down. I don't really know, But anyway, I'm so excited to get my front porch all decorated. So I think that is it, guys. That is the end of my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!